Hello beautiful people, you are welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'll be talking on, I don't understand, why are you in my video? Can't I do my video in peace?
I want to join you, please. Allow me join you for today.
Please go, just go please.
Please let me join you.
But I did not invite you here. Okay, don't disturb my
disturb
video,
you.
please.
I won't.
I'm talking to my viewers. Do not distract me, please. Hope that is clear.
Okay, I won't
Must you
disturb you.
tune with me every time? Must you do whatever I'm doing every time? Go and open your own YouTube channel. Guys, I'm sorry. Please do not mind this, my sister. I know you are interested in how I was able to do this. Search no more, you are in the right place. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clone yourself just like this. Are you interested? If you are, please keep watching.
So guys, before we go into the tutorial, there are 5 tips that I want you to take note of for you to have a perfect clone video. So guys, the very first one is this: let your tripod stand be in one place. Don't start moving your tripod stand to different direction. Let it be in one place. Let your phone camera be stable. Let your camera be stable. Let it be in a particular spot when you are filming the both characters. Don't move your camera to another place when you are done filming your first character. Then you want to film the second one, you are shifting your camera. No, allow your camera to be in one particular spot. Do you understand? And the lighting too, if you are using a natural light, good. But if you are using artificial light like the ring light, please don't try to start switching the light like you want to make the other part to be dim and the other side to be bright. No. Use the same light, like the same brightness. Do you understand? That is the very first tip, and it is very important for you to take note of this because it will help you to have a very perfect video. Now the second thing I want you to take note of is that none of the character is expected to cross the middle line. Now I am sitting, now you are watching me, I am like in the middle of my phone right now. Now if I should move to this side, let me just demonstrate it for you to see. If I should move to this side, I am at one side of my phone. Then if I move to this other side, I am at the other part of my phone. Do you understand? But if I remain like this, I am in the middle part. So take note of the middle part of your phone. Do not cross it, please, for you to have a perfect clone video. Third tip is this: you are going to film the characters separately. Now let's say it's just me, but I'm going to form 2 characters, like I'm 2 people, like I'm a twin. I have a twin. Do you understand? So if I want to film my first character, like I have to move to one side of my phone like this, and then I talk, I say whatever I want to say, and when it's time for me to look at this other person, I just maintain eye contact with the person like that, like as if somebody is really there. Do you understand? So you just talk, and then when you are done, you move to the other side and you also say whatever you want to say. When you are done, you move to this side, you also say what you want to say. You also look at the other person. You just imagine that somebody is there. That is how it works. And then for the fourth tip that I want you to take note of is this: please write your script so that you will know what to say and you will know when to say, when to talk. Do you understand? Make sure you write a script. Write a script so that 2 of you will not talk at the same time, so that you will know that, oh, this particular line is for this person, this line is for this person. Do you understand? So very important. And don't forget to maintain eye contact when you are talking to the other person. Though the person is not here, but you are talking to this person and you are sitting on one side, please maintain eye contact with the other person. Do you understand? Now let me give you an example. Let's say I am character A. Now I'm trying to form a conversation with somebody that is not here because I'm still going to be that person that will still be sitting here. So I'll be like, how are you doing today? Thank you for joining me. Do you know why I'm looking here and not looking up? It's because the person is I'm still the same person, so it's the same level. Do you know? So my eye contact should be straight, not up, not down. Guys, I hope you understand. Please take note of this because it will help you to have a perfect video. And for the very last thing I will talk about is you can get a recording device. If you have a second phone that you can use to record, you can get it. If you don't have it, don't worry, I'll tell you what to do. If you have a second phone, you can use it to record, maybe when the first character is talking. So anytime the first character stop talking, maybe pause. You know, when you pause, it's like you are pausing for the other person to talk, right? So when you pause, so you just like you are waiting for this person's response, and when the person finish talking, you continue again. Meanwhile, your phone is with you somewhere and you are recording everything. So when it's now the turn for the other person to talk, then you start playing that record stuff, and then you listen. When it's your time to talk, you pause it and you talk. So when it's time for you to now edit, you silence the part that that person was talking. I don't know if you understand. But if you don't have a recording device to help you know the right time for you to talk, this is what you will do, and this is what I am doing now. After you finish filming the first character, all you need to do is take a pen and take a book, then play the video. I'm not saying you should start moving your phone up and down. You can play the video at that particular spot and know when the other person was quiet and for the other person to talk. Do you understand? So you write it down. From there, you will be able to get a perfect clone video. So guys, I haven't explained all that you need to know. Let's get right into the tutorial.
Click on the Capcut app. You click on the app. Then you click on new project. Click on it. Then you add the video that you did. So we're going to add the very first one, which is 1 minute 21 seconds, and then click on overlay. Click on add overlay, and then add the second character. The one we added first was the first character, so we're adding the second character. So you click on the second video that you did, you click on it, and then you can make any adjustment you want to make from here by cropping it. Maybe there is a place that is not supposed to show, like that. So you click on this check sign, and then you click on add. So we already have the two videos here. So all you need to do is this: make sure the second one fits exactly to the screen, just like the first one. So after that, you can do it to increase the volume. Whatever editing you want to do, just click on the particular video and do your editing. The same thing for the both. So when you are done, just then you click on the second one, just like this. Click on it, and then swipe to your right hand side and search for mask. So this is mask. You click on mask, and then you click on horizontal, and then as you can see, it's already divided. So just for you to use your both fingers to arrange it. As you can see, guys, can you see this? So you can just make sure you do it to be perfect. As you can see, guys, can you see this? So it's not a must that you must straighten the line like this. You can always do it to maybe slant it. It depends on the background, the way it is. Do you understand? So something like this, I think I'm okay with this, but I'm not still done with the editing, because if I leave it like this, the line of division will be showing. This horizontal line that I just used will be showing. Let me show you now. Click on this, guys. So can you see this? Hello, beautiful people. So did you see that? So we are going to erase that line so that nobody will know that this thing we actually, so it will look real. I don't know. So it will look real. We are going to erase this line so that the video will look so real. So you click on your mask again, and then did you see this arrow, these two arrow here? This is what you will use to erase that line that is showing. So all you need to do is to just play around with it. So I have done that. Now let me just play it for you to see. Hello, beautiful people. You are welcome. So guys, did you see that? It is so perfect. It is so perfect. So always do well to edit your video so that the beginning when your hand was showing or anything will not be part of the video, like this one now. If you see I'm somehow moving, I just play the video and I decided to move to one side. So you can do it to edit it. Let me just remove that part. Let me remove it. So it's perfect now. Let me play this video for you to see. Hello beautiful people, you are welcome to my channel. So in today's video, so guys, did you see this? So whatever editing you want to do, you can always do it. This one does not affect anything. All you need to do is just click on the particular video and do your editing. When you are done with that one, click on the second video and do your editing. So this is it. It is very easy. It is very easy to do. It's not difficult at all. The only thing that is somehow difficult in it is you knowing when to talk, so that two of you will not start talking at the same time. So it's just for the time for you to know when it's your turn to talk. Do you understand? So guys, I hope you have been able to learn something new from this video. So if you did, kindly subscribe to my channel, on your notification bell, so that when next I post a video, you will be the first person to get notified. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also help me share. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.